Hello everyone. So today in this video we will be discussing about higher education, that is masters for biomedical engineering in abroad. Okay. So most of the questions rises like which course is better to do in abroad. Okay. How will be the job vacancies? How much salaries we will have? And what are the things knowledge we will gain if we study in abroad? Okay, so in this video, I will be covering all the details. Which country is the best country? How much fees will be there? So how much amount you should have to live in that country, and what are the requirements, and which course is best for what type of jobs. Okay, so basically there are three types of degrees are available in abroad. First one is MS. Okay, MS in bioengineering or bioinformatics or biomedical engineering. So this is most common for research. If you are planning to do your PhD, or if you are really very interested in your research base, then you please go with this MS. And another degree is MSc Biomedical Engineering. This MSc Biomedical Engineering is available in UK and Europe areas. Okay, so in this they will be covering, actually this is a very less course in the sense by 1 year you will be completing this. If your target is to join a good job, okay, if you want to gain a knowledge in job base, then you go with MSc Biomedical Engineering. And third one is M Engineering. This M Engineering is nothing but master in engineering. Okay, if you are planning for industrial or any project prototypes, then you are eligible to choose this M Engineering. And there are many other things concept in this MS. They will be covering basic whatever you are studying in the B, same concept they will be covering, like biosignal processing, medical image processing, artificial organs, tissue engineerings, bioinstrumentations, and in advanced AI, healthcare, wearable device, and neural engineering. Let's get into the video. Country wise, what are the courses are available? Okay, how much fees, tuition fees are there, and what type of scholarships will be there? Every details I will be sharing, and how to apply it for those companies, that details also I will be sharing in this video. So first country is US. So in US, if you are planning for higher salary, okay, anyhow, those students are going studying in the abroad, anyhow they have to work for at least 5 years so that they can repay their loan. Okay, so as lot of loan students are taking, and they are joining abroad, right? So anyhow they have to repay. If directly after coming degree, completing the degree, and you come to India, then definitely you can't manage that loan. So anyhow you have to work for 5 years. If you are planning for higher salary and totally research based, then the best country is US. Definitely tuition fees will be high. Okay, so they are providing MS Bioengineering, MS Biomedical Engineering courses. Biomedical engineering means basic medical devices, biomaterials, biomechanics, imaging processing. So all these courses you will be studying. If you are going for bioengineering or bioinformatics, it is like slightly it will be varying, like genetics. Okay, how the genetics works, DNA, RNA, totally cell based educations you will be learning in that MS Bioengineering or Bioinformatics. The tuition fees cost for US is 37 lakh to 54 lakh. The living cost, at least you should have 16 lakh to 28 lakh. So total you should have amount of 55 lakh to 80 lakhs. And the top university will be Stanford University, California Institute of Technology, John Hopkins Institute. And this university are topmost university. And the companies available in USA where you can join as a biomedical engineer or R&D engineer, AI healthcare engineer, are GE Healthcare, Boston, Abbott Laboratory, Medtronics, Johnson and Johnson. And the package you can expect is 58 lakh to 90 lakh per year as per Indian currency. The next country is German. If you are planning for low cost, okay, and core biomedical engineering jobs, then German is the best country. The top university in German are Technical Institute of Munich, Heidelberg universities. Almost the tuition cost will be zero or sometimes 12,000 euro per year. There is one scholarship, Dart scholarship. They fully fund for your education. And the cost for living, there is at least you should have 7 lakh to 11 lakh, and other expenses will take at least maximum 15 lakh. And the best companies surrounded in Germans are GE Healthcare, Philips, B Brown, Fresenius Medical Systems. And the salary package you can expect is 40 lakhs to 75 lakh per year. The course they will be covering mostly medical device designing, rehabilitation, biomedical instrumentations, and basics of biomedical engineerings. And the job role you will have is image system engineering, clinical engineering, medical image system service, and other manufacturing field. Salary package will be 40 to 70 lakh. And the next country is UK. If you want to complete your degree fast within 1 year, then this country is the best one. Okay, the top university are Hemphill College London, University of Warwick, University of Glasgow. They provide course like MSc Biomedical Engineering. Okay, the cost tuition fee for UK is 30,000 to 45,000 pound per year. Living cost will be 10 to 15,000 pound per year. At least you should have 35 lakhs to 65 lakhs in hand to live there. And most of the courses they will be covering like tissue engineering, biosignal processing, medical robotic, clinical engineering. The companies available there is NHS, Smith and Nephew, Oxford Instrumentation. And the salary expectation you can have 30 lakhs to 65 lakhs per year. And the role they will hire for is clinical engineering, hospital engineering, or research engineering. The next country is Canada. If you want permanent residency plus very good job, then Canada is the best place to study. The topmost university are University of Toronto, University of British Columbia. Okay, so mostly they will have tuition fees of 20,000 to 40,000 Canadian dollar per year. Living cost will be 15,000 Canadian per dollar per year. So totally you should have 25 lakhs to 45 lakhs in hand as per Indian currency. And the job they will select is mostly biomedical engineering, quality assistant, or regulatory affair based. And the job companies available there is Stryker, Philips, G Healthcare. And the salary expectation will be 35 lakhs to 65 lakh per year. If you are planning for permanent residency and good job, this is the best place to study. The next is Singapore. So it is small, but the quality of job will be very good. Like you will have companies like Medtronics, Philips, G Healthcare, where they will hire biomedical engineering, research engineering, device testing engineerings. Okay, so all main hub like GE, Philips, all comes under Singapore only. The salary expectation will be 30 lakh to 56 lakh per year. Next come into what are the scholarship they are providing in abroad. In German, Dart scholarship is the best one. They will be covering all the tuition fees, living expenses, monthly stipend you will get, travel expenses also covered in this scholarship. And the second is Fulbright scholarship in USA. They almost funding full amount, but it is very competitive. Next scholarship is Chevening. They will be covering full tuition fees. So this is available in UK. Tuition fees plus living cost. The next one is Erasmus scholarship in Europe. They will be covering full fund. Plus, if you want to study in multiple countries, they are covering with this scholarship. The next common scholarship is NUS or NTU. So they will be reducing the tuition fees and they will be providing stipend for your course. Next part is how to apply to that university and all. Anyhow, you will be going through some consultancies and make sure the consultancy is under some government registration. That's very important. Even though I will tell how the steps works. Okay, first you have to select the good university based on your interest. whether you want to complete it fast or whether you want research based, and based on your financial support too. Okay, so after selecting the university, at least you have two university main. Okay, plan one should be a two university will be ambitious, and three moderate university, and extra two for safer side. Okay, after that you have to check the eligibility. You should be have degree of B biomedical engineering, triple EC, this and all eligibility. Okay, the percentage you should have is 60 to 75 percentage you should have, and you have to clear the exams like IELTS 6.5 to 7.5 you should have the mark, and TOEFL you should have 80 to 70, sorry, 80 to 100 of marks you should score. GRE is another options if you are specifically looking for USA. And the next step is you should have SOP, that is statement of purpose, like why you are choosing this course, what projects you have done. Project plays a major role in this, and what is the major goal for you to select this course. Okay, then you should have recommendation letter from your professor, 2 to 3 recommendation letter. CV, resume you should have, academic transcript you should have, and passport. After this you have to apply to the university in the online, and you have to check whether any scholarships are there. So along with this scholarship you have to apply, and other document process also you have to done, visa, passport, everything you have to done. So once you got the acceptance, and you have to pay, and you will be got admission in that whatever university you have selected. So the major advantage in going abroad is earning. Okay, and another question you can raise, whether I can go abroad after completing BE in India for job. Yes, of course you can go, but you will have very limited job. Why? Because they will be concentrating on the local person and visa processing, training process cost, so they will be preferring local persons only. So after completing BE, if you want to go to abroad for job, it's possible, but very very rare, and limitedly vacancy will be there, limited chances are there to hire. And after going there, definitely after completing your course you will be earning lot of money. So with that money, definitely it's possible to repay your loan also. But after coming India, how will be your job? Okay, so first thing, after coming India you can join big MNC companies like German, G Healthcare, Philips, like that companies, definitely. But the salary package what you got there, because currencies are different, so definitely you can't expect that much salaries. Okay, so you can expect at least 30 lakh per year minimum in the India. Okay, for higher position like R&D, like that cases. And if you're doing higher education in India, so the courses will be like ME biomedical engineering, medical electronics, nanotechnologies are there. If you are going for research or any teaching field, then you choose to study in the India. Okay, and research base also abroad you can choose. Okay, the only disadvantages is general companies, small companies or small industry in the India, they never prefer higher degree or masters a candidate, because based on the education what they have done, they have to give higher amount of salary, so they reject the resume. So if you want to work in India only industry, then B is enough. And if you want to enhance your career in research, PhD levels, project level, and earn higher amount of money, and you have planned like you will be working in the abroad, then you go for abroad courses, and that is most preferable. Any other doubts you are having, please comment me in the comment section. Any doubts, other topic, which topic you are expecting next one? Many topics they have told, many messages I got. Definitely I will be covering that topics in upcoming videos too. Okay, any other topics you want, any other clarification, let me know. We will make a clarity of video on that. Thank you.